everyone, Moshe is here, the Electric Israeli, and today on a beautiful 24 degrees we are going to check the regenerative braking, how it functions in very cold temperature like we have today. It's really cold outside and it's going down to 23 I see, and it's probably going to end up at 20 anyway. So I mean, I still have the regular 19-inch sports wheels, so I'm going to check the regen in this cold weather, and then tomorrow I'm going to put on the snow tires, and then I'll check the regen then and see how they compare. So as you can see, it's very cold. You cannot see it, but I can feel it. The car is very nice and toasty. So what we're going to focus on is this area right here below the speedometer, where it shows you the regen. If it goes to the left, like now in green, that means regenerative, and if it goes to the other way, like now, that means I need energy. Now I'm going to go down a hill. It's a very big hill, and this green 283 miles projection is not going to change. That doesn't change. It only goes down when the battery gets lower. It doesn't go up when you regen, but where it does go up, it does go down. Let me show you the street where it does go. Shows you any changes. It's in the energy. Here you go, the energy. So now it's set up to 30 miles range, and it shows you that there is 182 projected miles. And that will change. The indicator here will not, only when it goes down. It will not gain miles here. It will gain miles here. So even though it says 282 miles right now, it does not show, it shows here a projection of 182. But watch what happens when I start to go down this hill in a minute. This hill in a minute, it's going to go really sharp, and it will show you how this is changing. So let's press the gas and then go down. You see it does react very well. The green light, it comes down here again, and here the range projection is now up to 183. That doesn't mean it's going to go to 183, depending how you continue to drive. So I'm going to be driving about 50 or 60 miles today. We're going to the city, and I can feel that the car is braking, you know, like it normally would. And here it's changing to 184 miles already. We are going down a significant. I'm not going fast. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to press, and then I'm going to let go, and you see how it reacts beautifully. And right here you see it changed to 186 already. Sorry about the glare. Very sunny this morning. Sunny but cold. 187 and all that. So I don't see any significant change in the regenerative reaction. So let's go fast again, and here we go. We are regenerating. You know, it's going down really a steep hill. See, and it is actually functioning extremely well. We are down to 19 degrees, by the way. Beautiful. Here it's changed to 190. So if you want to know your projection range, that's where you're going to find it. You're going to find it here, not on where the green batteries, so to speak, is. Okay, so that is that. So tomorrow I'm going to follow up this video tomorrow, where I am going to do it with the snow tires, brand new snow tires. We'll see if it reacts the same. I saw a video when it doesn't, but we will compare it and we'll see. Up to 194. Okay, so tomorrow we'll do the second part of this video, and I'll put it together. All right, guys. Okay, so yesterday I went to the Tesla Center, and I put this brand new Bridgestone 19-inch snow tires It is very cold outside, really cold. It's like 20 degrees. So we're going to take a look how the regenerative braking works, and we're going to go down that same hill like we did before and see if there's any difference. Okay. Okay, everyone, so we are on our way. We're going to go down and test the car on the same hill going down, and we'll see how the regenerative braking is in the snow tires is responding. Now the temperature is 33 degrees, and then we have a sign here next to the miles. It's like a snowflake, if you can see it, and the snowflake says that it's very cold outside. As soon as I sat into the car, we got a message saying that the regenerative braking is limited, and that's not because of the snow tire. That is because it's very cold. That's because it's very, very cold. But be that as it may, we're going to look. We're going to see if the green light here, see, you see it right now, it's a little one, if it responds. But even when that happens, you will not know. I will see if I can feel the car is braking. That's the ultimate test. I will see if the car is braking. Let me change to the energy screen, and now the car has 181 rated miles on the green battery, but it has 110 on the projected mile, but that's the 5 mile. Let's make it 30 miles. 114 on the 30 miles range. So we want to look at the left to see if the green light is moving backward, and on the right if we get more projected miles. That's the ultimate test. And so we're going to take a look. So right now I'm obviously consuming energy because I am pressing on the accelerator, but soon we're going to go down that hill. It's starting very soon, and we will see how it reacts in terms of the regeneration. So we see we're down to 112 over there, and the green light is working. So here we are at that traffic light, and once we pass the traffic light, that's when the hill starts. Okay, so I'm going to accelerate a little bit, and I'm going to let go. So the green light is a little bit going a little bit. I'm not feeling more. See, I had to brake. I really had to brake. I'm not feeling tremendous amount of regeneration, meaning the car is not slowing down. Here it is. Now this is a really sharp hill, really sharp, the sharpest that of them all, and it's very little. I never usually press the brakes here during when I put regular tires, when I have regular tires. But maybe it's because it's just cold. Now the projected range went up to 114. Usually by the end, at the bottom of this hill, on all my electric cars, I gain about 10 miles. I gain about 10 miles. So it does show you that the projected range is different, but it is going up. However, right here at the green light here, under the speed limit, under the speedometer actually, there is not much movement, and I'm not feeling. So I'm going to accelerate one more time now in another part of that hill, and I'm going to let go, and the car is just sliding. The car is not braking whatsoever. Very little regeneration, very, very little. I'm going to continue all the way down to the hill. I'm actually pressing the brakes now. Okay, the car is just flying. The car is flying. It's not responding. It's not responding almost at all. The temperature is 33 degrees, so it's above freezing. But no, I'm not feeling any kind of regeneration. Complete different than when we had the regular performance wheels. I don't know what these tests mean. I mean, I know that somebody else in Canada did a similar test. There is very little regeneration or any, very little stoppage. Now the projected range is up to 119, but that could mean that on this speed, in this amount of acceleration pedal that I put, that's what I will get if I will continue like this for the next 120 miles. But in terms of blocking the car and regenerating, very, very little. Okay, that is one conclusion. I will try it several more times this winter and see what happens. But very, very little. Thanks, guys. Let me know if you have similar experience. Please share your experiences if you do use snow tires. I use snow tires in all my cars. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.